Hi, I'm Steve, and a few months ago, constant ear ringing and hearing decline were stealing my peace. Conversations felt muffled, music lost its richness, and that persistent buzzing made quiet moments impossible. I tried everything: white noise machines, expensive hearing aids, even specialist visits, but the relief never lasted. Then I discovered Echoxen. Within the first week, the relentless ringing softened to a whisper. By week 3, conversations became clear again, and I could actually enjoy the subtle sounds of nature I'd forgotten existed. The transformation wasn't just physical, it was emotional. I stopped avoiding social gatherings, started listening to music again, and finally slept through the night without being woken by phantom sounds. Echoxen gave me back the world of sound I thought I'd lost forever. How it works in plain English. Echoxen is a comprehensive hearing support formula that targets the root causes of hearing loss and tinnitus: inflammation in the auditory system, compromised blood flow to delicate ear structures, and oxidative damage to hair cells. The advanced blend includes powerful antioxidants like alpha-lipoic acid and CoQ10 to protect against cellular damage, circulation boosters like ginkgo biloba to improve blood flow to the inner ear, and anti-inflammatory compounds to reduce swelling in auditory pathways. B vitamins support nerve function, while zinc and magnesium help maintain the delicate structures of the inner ear. This multi-pathway approach doesn't just mask symptoms, it addresses the underlying causes of hearing decline and supports natural healing processes. What changed for me, and what thousands of users experience, is progressive, lasting improvement. The first changes were subtle: less ear pressure, reduced sensitivity to loud sounds. Then conversations became easier to follow without constantly asking people to repeat themselves. Background noise stopped overwhelming important sounds, and music regained its depth and clarity. Sleep improved dramatically as the constant ringing faded to barely noticeable levels. By month 3, the transformation was complete: crystal clear hearing, peaceful quiet moments, and the confidence to engage fully in conversations and social situations. It's not just hearing restoration, it's quality of life restoration. Where to get it, and what backs it? Echoxen is available exclusively through the official website to ensure you receive the authentic, research-backed formula and avoid inferior imitations. The supplement is manufactured in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities for maximum safety and potency. Each purchase is protected by a comprehensive money-back guarantee, giving you enough time to experience the full benefits, typically 60 to 90 days for optimal results. Buying direct also ensures you get proper dosage instructions, customer support, and the peace of mind that comes with the genuine product from the verified source. If hearing loss, persistent ringing, or muffled conversations have been limiting your life, Echoxen helped me reclaim the rich world of sound I thought was gone forever: clear conversations, peaceful silence, and the joy of hearing every detail. Take the recommended dose daily, and let these powerful ingredients restore your auditory health naturally. For the authentic formula, full support, and the protection of the guarantee, order only from the official website. Click the official site link in the description, or the first comment now, and start your hearing transformation, one clear sound at a time.